Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. What a day it has been for the AI. First, you have to take a look at what the SPY did, okay? And this is sort of deviating a little bit from the stock of the day, but look at the SPY. Come on, change. Let's go. Okay. Huge gap down on the SPY, all right? But I sort of joke around and say, this could turn into my favorite day. And is it ever? I always thought my favorite day is when you get big gap downs and then you have a recovery. Look at this recovery, guys. I mean, this is starting at 11 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an hour and 15 minutes of straight up, okay? And so what's happening is we're seeing a lot of bounce plays. Stocks that got hit really hard for no fault of their own necessarily. They didn't have bad news or anything, but they just got nailed with the rest of the market, and now they're recovering. Look at what a great move in the SPY. But I deviate. What I want to take a look at is UONE, which, we talk about alpha stocks. Sorry, guys, a little bit of a lag here. We talk about alpha stocks, okay? And the alpha stocks are ones that are trading. They don't care what the rest of the market's doing. They're trading to their own beat. And this is what UONE was doing. Now, UONE, if you're not familiar with it, was piggybacking on Carver in the pre-market also. Look at what Carve was doing, okay? And then look what happened when Carve opened. Again, these are, if you don't know, just look them up. You'll see what their financial stocks. But the bottom line is this, though, is that the AI got in at 860 at 936. Look where there's that candle right there. And look what it did after that, 836. Before it pulled back, it got all the way up to $11. And that pullback, it could still be in play right now. But, this is definitely the stock of the day because, it piggybacked on what Carve was doing. Wasn't quite as dynamic as Carve in the pre-market. Carve got halted, in fact, at one point. And once it came out of the halt, UONE just absolutely ripped. Because they're peers and they kind of piggyback off each other. So that definitely was the stock of the day. Many others to pick from. I mean, look, the AI had a great day today, but I just wanted to zero in on that one because, it had the most sensational run and very, very quick. I mean, look at this. You have to understand, this was a green candle all the way up here before it pulled back. So you're talking about something that went from 860 all the way up to about $11 before it pulled back. So UONE definitely was the stock of the day. All right, I want to get back into this room to see if the SPY keeps moving higher and giving us a lot of great looking bounce plays today. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you then.